Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen upgrades with a review of the Delta Keele Matte Black 19824 Elf Bell Kitchen Faucet with pull-down sprayer. If you're looking to enhance both the functionality and style of your kitchen, you're in the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tips. Now, let's get in. The Delta Keele Matte Black 19824 Elf Bell is a single-handle pull-down kitchen faucet with a sleek and modern design. It's made with a zinc construction and features a matte black finish that's resistant to scratches and fingerprints. Here are some common features you might find in Delta kitchen faucets, including potential features of the Delta Keele Matte Black Kitchen Faucet. Matte black finish. Matte black finishes are popular for a modern and sleek appearance. They are also often easier to clean and maintain than some other finishes. Pull-down sprayer. Many Delta kitchen faucets come with a pull-down sprayer, which is convenient for tasks like washing dishes and filling pots. Magnetic docking. The magnetic docking feature helps to securely dock the spray head into place after use, preventing it from drooping over time. Single-handle operation. Delta often offers single-handle kitchen faucets for easy control of water flow and temperature. Diamond seal technology. Delta is known for its diamond seal technology, which uses a diamond-embedded ceramic disc valve to reduce leaks and extend the life of the faucet. Lifetime limited warranty. Delta faucets are backed by a lifetime limited warranty, so you can be confident that your faucet will last for years to come. Overall, the Delta Keele Matte Black 19824 Elf Bell is a high-quality kitchen faucet that offers a combination of style, functionality, and durability. It's a great choice for anyone who wants a modern and efficient faucet for their kitchen. Here are some additional things to consider before purchasing the Delta Keele Matte Black 19824 Elf Bell. Price. The Keele is a premium faucet, and it comes with a premium price tag. Be sure to factor in the cost of the faucet into your budget before you make a purchase. Installation. The Keele is a deck mount faucet, so you will need to have a single-hole countertop in order to install it. If you have a double-hole countertop, you will need to purchase a deck plate separately. Finish. The Keele is available in a variety of finishes, including matte black, stainless, steel, and chrome. Be sure to choose a finish that matches the style of your kitchen. Here are some pros and cons about Delta Keele Matte Black 19824 Elf Bell. Pros. Stylish design, single-handle operation, durability, magnetic docking. Cons. Personal preferences. Overall, the Delta Keele Matte Black 19824 Elf Bell is a high-quality faucet with a stylish design and many functional features. However, it's also a more expensive option, and the installation process can be challenging. If you're looking for a durable and stylish faucet for your kitchen and are willing to pay a premium price, the Delta Keele Matte Black 19824 Elf Bell is a good choice. But if you're on a budget or prefer a simpler installation, there are other options available. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the Delta Keele Matte Black 19824 Elf Bell. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement video.